tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. BBY, Best Buy Co. I got an alert for this about a week ago, but I had a backlog of stocks, stuff to check out. And check it out, guys. Monthly candle chart. Sometimes it's fun getting an alert. And there's no rush, you know. When you look at my alerts are set on monthly candle charts, thresholds that I've identified. So I'm in absolutely no rush. Have the whole month. Let it churn. Let's see what happens. Give myself a chance to not get all excited. Oh. And look at that, man. This had a pretty sweet stage 2 on the monthly candle chart. This is a huge move, guys. Huge. Monthly candle. So there's a stage analysis no matter what time frame. Look, that's beautiful. Breakout, sideways move close to a 12-month moving average. Breakout, sideways move closer to a 12-month moving average. Breakout, sideways move. And the further it pulls away, the more it has to pay the price. There's always a price to pay. If you want it to continue and you want that stock to pay the price close to that burst, guys. You don't want burst and then pays a price with a huge wick, and after that there's just a lot of damage there to be recuperated through churning, guys. Just like this big red candle right here down below 12-month average. Look how much time it took. That's 2014, January 2014, and before it overcame back November 2016. 3 years, guys, just to get back above. So you're going to have to wait 3 years in the stocks while other stocks were going up, were exploding out of their shells. You're there, dead money waiting, just getting trapped every night, can't sleep. And it took all that time for it even to get back there. And when it gets there, oh, I'm so happy, you break even, you sell, and then you're just so burned that you miss the important move that's happening here. While you're selling here, when it comes back to your break-even point, that's when it starts going, guys. So the whole psychology, the whole thing is all messed up. You gotta make sure it's crystallized in your head what behavior to look at, who's your friend, the trend is your friend, and after that, everything else from that is just pretty much noise. You gotta filter out. You want the important clues, the volume on breakouts, horizontal breakout lines. You want to stay above the 12-month moving average. All that stuff adds up, guys, to successful trade. All right. Check it out. That's my target. Best Buy. If it stays below, so if it has a November close below 68, my measured move brings me down to 56.50. I could even do what I called target considerations, profit target considerations, and you can move that sell stop just above that previous resistance turn support. That's going to slow you down. You might have price go penetrating it, have a wick, and then you maybe have to work through that area here. So all that area here, this previous consolidation pattern that blew off, well, that's going to be support all the way to this natural support right here. But it's still a good vacuum, guys. Monthly candle, remember. 12-month average, the more this price action stays below, the better it is. The more the 12-month average is going to start going downwards. Ideally, I'd want maybe the price action to close above that breakdown line, bounce off the 12-month moving average, and then give another go down here to make sure that 12-month average is starting to really decline. But if the chart's ready to break down, then you have to take that into consideration. There's a weight of evidence. So we're going to keep looking at clues. We're going to see how it is breaking down on the weekly. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that green. Green, 30-week average going up. Price action above 30-week average and outperforming SVX. Check. And this is just beautiful, Best Buy. Look at these. The breakout candles are just magnificent. Twice average out in the previous 4 weeks. Clear cut. Break above a horizontal breakout line. It's just beautiful. You could look at the chart, man. You'll see them over and over. Horizontal breakout line. Oh, damage. Red candle, damage on a strong pullback with high volume. Then you need to rest instead of it continuing, even risking exiting that stage 2. And here you have multiple red candles going down, and that volatility, sign of entering stage 3, slowing down to stage 2, having a hard time to stay in, trying to get out here. But you see, didn't quite have the volume on this candle here on that breakout. I would have also to check the monthly if there was a monthly defined breakout, but it's the weight of evidence, and if you don't have that volume, you don't have the energy to propulse you through the eventual sellers, and then you get sucked back in, guys. Down, 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 down. And now increasing red volume here in the Ichimoku cloud. Where's my arrows? Like that, now it's red. That's like a big sign. Underperforming the SPX, below 30-week average, declining 30-week average. Here's a weekly defined breakdown line. After a few weeks consolidation, trying to go back up, see those wicks on the daily price action touching. No, sellers coming in. So now that's acting as resistance. You're below it, should start looking like that. Ichimoku cloud defined the support, guys. That's the last piece of evidence that we want to look at. You want, so I don't know, November, how many weeks left? November, 2 weeks. So I don't know if we're going to get it closed this month, this week, next week, maybe duck, and then close right here. So let me get a close below 65. Let's go back in the monthly. Oh, here it is. A close below 68, a close below 65.50. If we could get both of those with that last week of November, so the monthly candle close, weekly candle close below the Ichimoku cloud, man, after that, it's stage 4, which I believe stage 4 has already started, but we want to make sure that the higher trend is in our favor. We want to make sure that we don't have any close underneath support. So after that, it's going to probably clear cut. We're going to hit probably some support here. Previous resistance turned support. So that could easily bounce here. Come back to test these breakdown levels here. And after that, go down here. So this is the risk to reward entry. That's possible. Maybe not that far. Maybe going to be closer there. But that's type of price action I would imagine. Going down, hitting that support, going back up, hitting that resistance, and bouncing back down. Why is that just going to be a simple pullback and not a reversal? Well, we're going to have that monthly close below that important monthly defined resistance support line that's now going to become resistance. We have the 30-week average going downwards. We're going to have the 12-month moving average going downwards. All these now are working in favor of a stage 4. Guys, this is stage 4. Very, very, very close. Let's wait for the end of November, guys, for Best Buy. And after that, it's timber. All right, guys. Subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.